morning, everyone. This is Captain Gilbert Lee speaking from the Taipei, Taiwan. Okay, this is my wife. I hope you can come to Taiwan. We have some talk about these things we demonstrate here. Okay, today is our exercise number 3. So steer eastbound on the coast 066 degrees and speed 21 knots. Right now on ship have 3 vessels crossing from the starboard side. So let's see what the captain do. Okay, the captain is quite comfortable with the situation right now because he only reduced speed to full ahead and outer coast 3 degrees to 069 degrees. And all 3 vessels at the starboard side look like this. Okay, this time we will discuss one by one. For the first vessel crossing, number 20, it looks like sea were passing the collision spot after 2 minutes, and the on ship is about 4 minutes. Should be okay with 2 minutes difference. And the second one, number 17, is still look like not so good in the red line. And the third one seems she can passing earlier than us, but maybe by 2 minutes times also. But what if on ship alter course or slow down the speed? Maybe the third one become a problem as long as we give way to the second one, number 17. So to buy extra insurance, we set the line of the EBL. Like you see the light green line, we set the EBL line toward the third vessel, then concentrate our attention to the second one, number 17, and take necessary maneuvering to avoid the collision dangers. Okay, this is EBL setting. You don't need to read its reading. You only leave it on your radar screen for later use. If you are a serious man, you want to remember this bearing is about 090 degrees. Okay, after this is the situation after 3 minutes. We just mental calculate. The second crossing vessel, number 17, seems arriving the collision spot at the same time with on ship. So we're gonna be doing something to prevent the collision situation. So what we gonna do? Let's see the master's reactions right now. After 4 minutes of exercise, the captain is quite steady on his original course, 070 degrees, and it seems the first vessel can be passing on ship's bow within 1 minute, and the number 2, 17's target is already alter course to port side to passing on ship's stern, give way to us. The problem is the number 3 vessel. It seems it can passing the collision spot earlier than on ship. So what we can wait and see any result come out. Okay, at this point, 4.5 minutes. The number 1 crossing vessel already at on ship's bow. This is checked by our collision stick. Is this vessel is dead ahead. And for the number 2 vessel, 17 is pointing on ship stern. And for the third vessel, number 21, cargo vessel, it's obvious he were passing the collision spot at 1.5 minutes, and the on-ship were arriving after 3 minutes. So, by the radar picture, all 3 vessels are clear. So the captain actually didn't have to do anything. So this captain is very steady. Don't decrease the speed abruptly, and he didn't alter course randomly. He evaluated the situation very good by the visual. So this is our radar lookout. How to make the visual lookout? We have introduced an important technique, which is our relative bearing compared with our absolute bearing or the compass bearing. Okay, right now we see the original EBL electric bearing line preset still remain on our radar's picture. Remember, the EBL setting is for the third vessel, so the third vessel actually moving away from the electric bearing line, which was to our on-ship bow's direction. That means this vessel were passing on-ship bow, and we can see at this picture of radar at 5 minutes, this vessel actually about to passing on-ship's bow. So it doesn't matter how much the EBL reading is. This is what we were teaching here. By all means, don't use digital to memorize the collision risk. You should leave everything on the picture. Next time you see the picture, you can know the collision risk of the target you are concerned. If you remember by the digital, you will overflow with your short-term memory. This is not professionals doing. Okay, we cut in here for some minutes. If you remember the previous captain's maneuvering on the exercise number 3, this captain is gain more space from the starboard side overtaken vessel. So this is the captain's confidence about his skill, and also demonstrate on this picture. On-ship didn't come across the starboard side overtaken vessel's headline. We still maintain proper distance from the starboard side overtaken vessel. So if you didn't have radar picture, you can use the decks, cargoes, or the bridge fitting to memorize the bearing of approaching vessel, so as to make your judgment of the visual approach. This we will teach you after all this radar lookout technique class. Hope you enjoyed today's class. See you next time. This Talk 21. Bye bye everybody.